Hello kids, how are you? I hope you understand the last chapter. Now we will discuss the next chapter from unit number 3, that is the human body, and chapter number 8, digestion of food. Now let's revise. Label the following diagram: incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Here you can see a mouth and you have to label them. Now let's begin. We need food to stay alive. The food we eat cannot be used by our body directly. It has to be broken down into its simpler forms. This breakdown of food into simpler forms is called digestion of food. Our food is digested with the help of our digestive system. It consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas and anus. Now let's discuss the process of digestion. The process of digestion starts in our mouth. Our mouth contains teeth and tongue. The food we eat is broken down into smaller parts by our teeth. A juice called saliva is secreted into our mouth. Our tongue helps to mix saliva with the food around. Saliva contains chemical substances called enzymes. These enzymes break down carbohydrates into sugar like glucose. This is the start of digestion of food. Here you can see the digestion of food through stomach, liver, large intestine, small intestine, appendix and rectum. The food is not completely digested in the mouth. From mouth, the food is sent to the stomach through the food pipe. The food pipe is a long pipe which connects our mouth and the stomach. Food now reaches the stomach. In stomach, the food is further broken down into simpler forms. The walls of the stomach secrete digestive juices which break down the proteins in the food. The food now acquires a semi-solid form. In between that, we have a fascinating fact that our stomach is a hollow J-shaped muscular bag. From the stomach, the food is sent to small intestine. It is a very long and coiled tube. The walls of the small intestine produce more digestive juices. The pancreas and the liver too pour their juices into the small intestine. The food is now completely digested with the help of these juices. The walls of the small intestine contains a network of blood vessels. The digested food is absorbed by the blood present in them and carried to different parts of our body. The undigested food and roughage is taken to the large intestine. The blood vessels present in the walls of the large intestine absorb water and send it to the kidneys. The semi-solid food is thrown out from the body through an opening called anus. So this is how our digestive system works. I hope you understand. Now find out which juice is secreted by the pancreas. Next is food gives us glucose. When we eat food rich in carbohydrate, it gets converted to sugar like glucose. Take a piece of bread or a chapati and chew it for some time. You will notice that it becomes sweet after some time. This is due to the breakdown of carbohydrates by the action of enzymes to smaller forms and food tastes sweet. Glucose gives us energy to do various things. Now, let's find out why do athletes have glucose before their game? Now, tips for good digestion. So students, here are some tips for the good digestion. Let's see what are they. Eat a balanced diet. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. Water helps in the digestion of food. Include green vegetables and salads in your diet. The roughage present in them help the food to get digested properly. Eat food at fixed timings. Never overeat. Have your dinner at least 3 hours before you go to bed. Take small bites of food and chew it well. So that's all from this chapter. We will meet in next chapter. Till then, revise it properly. Bye-bye.